Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for the love and the support. Today I am making bread pudding, so let's get straight into the video. Let's get started on the main ingredients. Remember, you choose the size that you want. So here I am cutting the bread slices into smaller pieces. Once you have enough and you are satisfied with the outcome, set this aside and start working on your liquid. In a clean container, add eggs, raisins or mixed fruits, sugar, a little salt, vanilla, melted butter, and milk. After adding all these ingredients, combine this. We're now going to pour our liquid in our bread pieces. Once you have done that, start to crush these pieces. Now it depends on what you like, so if you want big chunks in it, don't crush it too much. If not, you can just go ahead and crush it. Now that the mixture is complete, we're going to grease our pan and add the mixture to it. This recipe took 45 minutes to 1 hour. This is a finished product. Let me tell you, this was super delicious. You should definitely try this at home. Now don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post. Please show me some love. Thank you. This is the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Until next time, bye.